To the single girls crushing and aching all over the place, if you give him your heart and he doesn't take it, you do not lose love. In fact, you have more than you started out with, don't you? It is yours to keep. And maybe your love is not the shell you never see again when the boy wants to take the ocean home, press his ear against it just to remember, because he will not be staying. Maybe your love is the ocean. Even when the boy leaves, he will only take with him what it was like to swim, or float, or dive, or drown. But you will always have this ocean coming for you, even when you send it away. It swells and crashes in your chest because you are beautiful, wide open space, and you are rightly out of breath that there is so much of you ready to be seen but already worthy. Your ocean, still there, still being loved, even when there's no one you're in love with and no one in love with you to give it to.